Air pollution is a new public health problem, and air pollution of late is considered as a new tobacco. In fact, air pollution kills more people than the smoking, because we always tell, yes, smoking is one of the biggest risk factor for heart attack and heart attack related disease. But recent data from various bodies such as American Heart Association, European Heart Associations, also our Indian Heart Associations have emphasized that air pollution is definitely linked to various cardiovascular diseases. Because common man's perception is air pollution, yes, causes respiratory problems such as bronchitis, asthma, that everybody knows. But it is interesting, particularly in developing nations and third world countries, the air pollution has emerged as an important risk factor for cardiovascular disease. Particularly, particulate matter less than 2.5 microns can easily enter the blood vessels because they go through the lungs, gets filtered into the blood, then enter the blood vessels, causing blood clotting as well as a result heart attack and related problems. The major sources of air pollution is number one coming from the automobile vehicles, and the second is from the industrial effluents, and third, as we know, burning of weeds and burning of crackers, because the Deepavali or Diwali as it is said, so it's round the corner. So there is a lot of responsibility on the part of parents in general and particularly citizens to see that there should not be too much of air pollution that is occurring due to these crackers. See, in fact, you look at a scenario in North India, burning of weeds or the wheat fields has resulted in maximum air pollution in Punjab or Delhi, Varanasi and Lucknow and other places. So, and as a result, there is a huge health problem. So, as this Diwali is approaching, so it is a responsibility on the part of the parents to educate your children. And sometimes parents also, they have to educate themselves that don't try to use these crackers adding to the air pollution. Already we are facing this air pollution in a big way, and that is also a cause for a climate change that what we are seeing. And because see, we all should love nature. Nature is always ahead of technology, and nature doesn't want men or doesn't want people, but we want nature. So we need to promote this environmental health, because environmental health has got a huge impact on the people's health. So I appeal to all our citizens, yes, you have to celebrate the festival, I fully agree. Now because of this pandemic, COVID-19 pandemic, we have to restrict your festival to your own house, to your own family. Don't get into gatherings or groupings, and celebrate very in a simple manner. And more than that, you can always have lights. We have our traditional lights, we have even candles. I think that is the best way we can really contribute to reduction in air pollution, is reduction in various health hazards. And to be healthy, I think don't burn crackers. Thank you.